What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn a new method to apply site icon or browser favicon into your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in our choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, understand what is the site icon or the browser favicon, okay? Can you see this little icon next to the site title? If you review the top side of my screen, into the visual mode we have this yellow V. In Sites Gallery we have this blue icon. Growth we have this green icon. In WordPress we have this WordPress icon. How to change this icon, okay? If you are into WordPress 6.5.5 or bigger versions, you have a new way to apply this icon. Let's learn how to do this. First thing, move to your WordPress dashboard. Normally, you are into the website navigation menus. You can go and type WP admin, for example, just like this. Just like this. And we're gonna be moved to the WordPress dashboard. Right here, we're gonna review this left sidebar of menus, okay? Independently, if your menu is different than mine, you always gonna have into the end of it a menu called settings, okay? Hover a mouse over it and click into the submenu general. Right here, it's a very important part, and let's focus in one by one. Site title. Gonna be the title of our site, okay? The main title that represents our site, and a tagline, almost like a slogan. In a few words, explain what this site is about. Example, just another WordPress site, for example, okay? Now we have a new menu right here. Site icon. Choose site icon. The site icon is what you see on browser tab, bookmark, bars, and within the WordPress mobile app. It should be square and at least the size right here in pixels, okay? 512, okay? So click on it. Let me try to upload a one site icon. This does not follow the size, but gonna works as an example, okay? Here is how it gonna looks like on mobile, okay? Or on the browser tab. We're gonna hit the crop image button into the bottom right corner of our screen, and here is what we have. Scroll down until the end and click on Save Change. And now, as you can see, into the browser tab, our icon have changed, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin, which can widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Our Enzo WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Our Sites.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, or landing pages. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.